morning. Today we are in the Kachiguda railway station, and this is the entire parking actually. Kachiguda has a lot of parking nowadays, because Hyderabad we don't have much parking in other railway stations. So this is our bus for the group. So Secunderabad there is renovation, so we don't have the parking. In other videos you can see. Hyderabad station also same. So Chellapalli new station we have the parking, and this one. So booking office you can see, actually we have to take the ATVM machines are there. So we have to take the tickets from the machine directly. Online tickets we have to take. Counter will open around 8 o'clock I think. So people are waiting here. సో ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా మనకి ఇక్కడ చూపారు కదా, ఇవన్నీ చూసారా. సో మనకి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ టికెట్ కావాలి. సో ప్లాట్ఫామ్ టికెట్ నంబర్స్ 1 క్యూఆర్ ఇది. సో ఇక్కడ మన స్కానర్ వస్తే స్కానర్ కొట్టేస్తే మనకి టికెట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో 10 రూపీస్. సో ఇదన్నమాట. సో చూసా కదా, మన పేమెంట్ అయిపోయింది. పేమెంట్ కాగానే మనకు కలర్ టికెట్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఇది మన టికెట్. సో మన టికెట్ అయితే అయిపోయిందండి ఇక్కడ. ఇది టికెట్ తీసుకున్న ప్రాసెస్ ఇది. సో పీపుల్ విల్ కమ్ విత్ ద హెవీ లగేజ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ లిఫ్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ, ఎస్కలేటర్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు ద టాప్. Not the escalator, is the lift actually, and other way is the steps way where we can go up. Kachiguda. So this is exactly opposite to this parking area. You will have the lift to go to the top. So this is the lift actually here. I think this lift is not working actually. ఇక్కడ పని చేస్తలేదండి. నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెక్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మొత్తం ఏదో కొట్టేసారు ఎవరో, ఇటు అంతా మొత్తము అంత పలగొట్టారు. సో ఇది కూడా వర్క్ అవుతలేదు ఇక్కడ. సో మేబీ వాళ్ళు చూసారో లేదో, నాకైతే ఐడియా లేదు. దే హావ్ టు చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో అది ఫ్రంట్ ఎలివేషన్. ఇక్కడ ఫ్లాగ్ కనబడుతుంది కదా, యూ కెన్ సీ ద ఫ్లాగ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్రంట్ ఎలివేషన్ కాచిగూడ. సో అవర్ ట్రైన్ is coming in the platform number 4. It is a special train from Pondicherry to Kachiguda. That is the platform number 1 actually. That MMTS వెళ్తుంది. MMTS is going. And this is the train Guntur Kachiguda Medak. This is Kachiguda Yelahanka. 17603, 17604. This is platform number 5 it is on. So our train is coming in platform number 4 now. So this is 17654 coming from Pondicherry to Kachiguda, special train it is.
17654 Puducherry Kachiguda Express is coming on platform number 4.
So if you see, actually they have a 50 rupees they charge South Central Railway. Every station you have like this. So all passengers to any platform per head 50, but only luggage is not allowed in this. Generally, we have actually elders actually who can't walk, so suddenly they have some problems. So at that time, the people can use these services. But luggage, okay, only 30 kgs luggage is 30 kgs of luggage permitted here. You can see if it is possible. 30 kgs of luggage is permitted. So if you can see, this is from Pondicherry. Pondicherry Jostnandi, the train, special train, 17654. 17654 actually here. A lot of rush here actually, as we got the train right now. You can see only we have one escalator actually. It's very difficult to move, but even though people are okay, so adjustment, people means adjustment. This is all our group. So after going this, left side is the front elevation, right side is the back elevation. We are going up. So these are our 3 coaches. So we are, this is, you can see the Madina building actually, Madina Hotel. So this is the building where we have to get down and we can walk up to the Charminar. Because Ramzan time it is very difficult. So you can see this is all the shops actually. Because late night they will close here. So morning after 11 o'clock only they open here. So right now we are in the Ramzan time already. Very hot here, so already water bottles everywhere. We have water bottles in the Charminar. So people, when you come to the Charminar, you can utilize the water bottles. Everywhere they have kept here. So you can drink the water. So a lot of shops are there. You can see Moore and Sons. And all the street shops are more here. You will find more and more street shops in the Charminar right now in the Ramzan time. From Madina to Charminar and Charminar to Lad Bazaar. So all the areas will be covered with the shopping area like this. You can see this is the Kashish. This is called Pathargati, very old construction. So Guljara house right now. Guljara house means this is a water system. The center of the 4 arches. So Ramzan before, 2 days before, we are in the Charminar. You can see the people here, shops, the people. So 2 రోజుల ముందండి మనము ఇక్కడ రంజాన్కి ముందు ఉన్నాం ఇక్కడ. రష్ అయితే బాగానే ఉంది ప్రస్తుతానికైతే ఇదైతే మార్నింగ్ టైం ఇంకా డే టైం సార్ దిస్ వే సార్ సార్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సో లాట్ ఆఫ్ టెంపుల్స్ lot of shops all covered, you can see here. So Bhagirashmi temple compulsory important. All the people, goddesses have the blessings of all the people to stay well and have money with for everyone. बाजू से भी नहीं आते क्या? So when you come to Charminar, don't forget about the Nimra because very famous cookies, biscuits. Especially chai, Irani chai we get, but cookies, biscuits we'll get here, very good. So actually he is Aslam, the owner son of this Nimra Cafe and Bakery here. So he is along with our staff here. Whenever you come here, he is a very good person. He will explain about the items and the chai, Irani chai, and because he immediately behind the tea point and we have the bakery and the items will be prepared here only. So that's the reason when you come inside, you will get all the fresh items here.
Growing robots. Seriously, they are not giving skills. They are not giving communication. So you should want to talk about the theory yourself. Come on, open yourself. Discuss about any topic or any topic. Those are controlling the... And go inside the kitchen first. You should go inside the kitchen. Come on. Go inside.
So this is where actually the Nimras, all the items will be prepared here. The baking will be done here itself. So this is the baking place. So the entire baking will be done here itself and all the items will be prepared. You can see the biscuits and all the preparations. Very hot here. But you can see this is how the temperature and everything is put. Ovens. And here the Irani chai actually. You can see this is the Irani chai they prepare. So the milk, yes, black tea. Actually क्या है इसका process क्या रहता? अच्छा कितना देता? 40 मिनट 45 मिनट पकाते ही है। अच्छा फिर बाद में इसमें डालते हैं आप? इसमें आके वैसे रहता वो घर में? अच्छा वो कल चालू रहता। हाँ ओके 50% दूध और 50% ये रहता है इसमें। ओके ओके ओके। तो ऑलरेडी वाटर शुगर एंड टी पाउडर। टी पाउडर बोलते कहाँ से है? ये कौन सा रहता है ये? ओ आई मीन पर्सनल आपका। ओके ईरानी चाहिए ना। और ये दूध को भी बहुत कितना देर लगाते हैं साहब? 20-25 मिनट लगाते हैं आप? थैंक यू।
Most welcome anytime. I'll be here. Annamalai is a brand.
Dress material.